Let's create this chrome nail design together. So our nails is nicely prepped, and then we're going to be adding base coats. Cure for 60 seconds, and we'll add our preferred nude color of our choice. Yeah, and this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds. And then we're going to be applying our matte gel polish. Okay, apply your matte gel polish, you cure for 60 seconds, and then we're going to dive into the next step. So guys, this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds. Okay, and today we're going to be using our powder palette. Guys, this is actually the first time I'm using this powder palette. Okay, and it actually came out so beautiful. So we're going to be creating our ombre design. Okay guys, I've showed you so many ways to do your ombre design with your pigment powder, with your gel polish, you know, without an airbrush. There are so many ways actually to get ombre design, and this is another beautiful way to get an ombre design. Okay, as you can see, I'm using 2 shades of the brown color. Okay, I'm using the lighter shade, and then after blending in, and I use the darker shade, then I dust off. Guys, look at what it's giving. Like, it actually came out so beautiful. And yeah, this is actually the first time I'm trying this method. I just thought of it, and this powder palette has been in my bag for over 2 years. I've never used it for anything. I bought it just to be practicing makeup, and I have not done that till today. Guys, don't worry, when I name makeup, it's over for you guys. Okay, until then, let's be using it for our nails prep. Okay, so as you can see, I use the lighter shade, okay, and then blend. Okay, and then I use the darker shade to blend the tips, okay, to make it to more dim. Okay, and that is what we did, and then we're going to dive over to the next step. So guys, I did the rest off camera, and this is what it's giving. Guys, it came out so beautiful. Then I applied our top coat. Okay guys, you can choose to, you know, either apply your matte gel or apply your top coat, but because I've already applied matte, okay, before adding our powder, that is why I'm choosing to apply top coat before I puff. Okay, so you can choose any method of your choice. It's okay for you. I don't know if I'm making sense. Okay, yeah, I'm choosing to apply top coat because I want to puff so that we can get our chrome design. Okay, yes, I've showed you guys so many videos of, you know, how to apply your chrome, and guys, look at how it's looking after applying our top coat. And then we're going to puff thoroughly. And guys, be careful while you're puffing so that you not puff as the shape of your nails. Okay, yes, this is what is giving. I did the rest off camera. Yeah, this is what it's giving. I dust off, I did the rest off camera, and this is what is given. Guys, if you choose to apply your matte gel, this is what it will still give you. Okay, so yeah, it's your choice. And then we're going to be applying our chrome. First off, we're going to be mixing our black gel polish with our builder gel. Okay, you mix thoroughly, and then you draw your 3D design before you cure for 60 seconds, and then you apply your chrome. Okay, so now we're going to be drawing our 3D design. So guys, I think I'm actually getting better with my voiceover. What do you think, guys? Tell me in the comment section if I'm now communicating more easier with my voiceover. Okay, I think I'm getting there. Meanwhile, guys, if this is your first time coming across this channel, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you like this video, or if you are watching this video to this extent, that means you're actually enjoying it. So please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and if this is your first time coming across this channel, please help me grow to 1K, guys. We're not even up to 300 yet. We're at 208, guys. Please, subscribing to this channel is actually the only way you can encourage me. It's actually the only way you can tell me thank you and keep it up, so I can keep dropping more tutorial videos for you guys. I drop videos every week, twice a week, every Mondays and then Friday. Okay, every week you will get new videos from me. And guys, it's not easy to create content, to be honest. So please, the only way you can actually tell me thank you and encourage me is by liking my videos, dropping your comments, honest review, and then subscribe to my channel. Subscription does not actually cost anything. It's just for you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and also you encouraging me. Okay, thank you and God bless you, guys. So like I said, you draw your 3D design, okay, using our black gel polish and our builder gel, yeah, or art gel, any way you call it. You cure for 60 seconds and then we'll dive into the next step. Guys, so yeah, this is what is given. I did the other hand off camera. Okay, and now we're going to be applying our chrome. Okay, so like I used to say, we use one side to apply our chrome, and then use the other side of the brush to smoothen it, to bring out that shine. Okay, as soon as you're done, you dust off and then you apply your top coat, and then we are done for today's tutorial, guys. So guys, I'm going to be doing the other hand off camera, and this is what is giving. So I applied top coat off camera, okay, yes, and this is what it's giving, guys. It actually came out so beautiful, guys. Like, who will even know? You would think this is acrylic, but this is just else, you know, your ombre and your chrome. Guys, this is actually a 3-in-1 video. To tell you that it's not easy, guys, I am trying. Give me that like, drop your comment, subscribe. It's not easy. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. All right, guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Mwah.